Have you ever scrolled past an image online, maybe a lotus seed pod or a honeycomb, and felt a sudden wave of discomfort or even disgust? If so, you might have experienced something called trypophobia. Let's break it down. Trypophobia is an intense reaction to clusters of small holes or bumps. For some, just a picture of these patterns can spark anxiety, itchiness, or even nausea. Imagine seeing a sponge or the skin of a strawberry, and your body tenses up, your skin crawls, or your stomach turns. That's trypophobia in action. But what actually causes this reaction? Well, scientists don't have all the answers yet, but there are some fascinating theories. One idea is that it's an evolutionary response. The patterns that trigger trypophobia sometimes resemble the skin of poisonous animals, or even signs of disease. Our brains might be wired to avoid these images for survival. Others believe that it's just a learned response. Maybe you saw something gross once, and now similar images bring up those same feelings. Now, what are the symptoms? It's not just a simple dislike. People with trypophobia can experience sweating, rapid heartbeat, shivering, goosebumps, or even panic attacks. Sometimes it can interfere with daily life, especially if those images pop up unexpectedly. It's important to remember that everyone's experience is different. For some, it's just uncomfortable, but for others, it can be overwhelming. So, how do you cope if you have trypophobia? First, it's okay to avoid triggers when possible. Curate your social media feeds or use browser extensions to block unwanted images. If it's causing real distress, you might benefit from talking to a mental health professional. Therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy can help you manage intense reactions and take back control. Another tip is to practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, mindfulness, or grounding exercises can calm your body when you feel triggered. And remember, you're not alone. Millions of people experience trypophobia, even if it's not often talked about. So, next time you see those strange little holes and feel uneasy, know there's a name for what you're experiencing, and there are ways to feel better. Thanks for listening, and take care of your mind.